Good morning, my Atlanteans. How are we all doing today? So it is the day after I made that Bratz thrift haul video. And today, I feel like it'd be a good time, since I have like the entire house to myself for a while, I think it'd be a good time to start cleaning up some of them. So here is where they all are right now. I did end up stripping them. I arranged their outfits as well, so for when they're all done, I can put them straight into their outfit right there. So yeah, here they all are. I haven't done anything to them yet. I think I started wiping Sasha down. So yeah, we're just gonna get started, I guess. I'm really excited. Oh, and there's Dylan. I already cleaned up Dylan. I just really want to work on the girls today. So yeah, I'm gonna switch angles and then we're gonna start wiping and disinfecting them like completely. Yes, yes. So one more time, here is the before. Alrighty. I'm so excited to get to this. Yes! Okay, so I'm gonna be doing my usual routine. Some of these dolls do have little hair ties and stuff like that in them, so I'm gonna be needing to take that off before we get to the cleaning part, just so we can get like a good clean in. And per usual for the cleaning situation, I will be taking some Lysol cleaner and whatever spare toothbrush I have, and I'm just going to give them a good rub down. Oh my gosh, this like elastic hair situation is literally gonna take forever. I'm gonna need to do this off camera. Okay, so I think I got her elastic situation out of her hair. It's just like super duper tangled, so I'll definitely work on that later. For now, let us clean, and I'll be just showing you like how I clean Jade here. And then next, I'm literally just gonna take a pack of like moist towelettes, and I'm just gonna wipe them down with that. And then I'm just gonna be going through the exact same process with the rest of the dolls. And here they all are after meticulously trying to take out whatever stains, any markings that were on their face. But they are all completely deep cleaned. They even look like they look so much more cleaner now. Okay, so now I'm gonna go through each one of these girls' hair and I'm going to brush it out to the best of my ability. Yep, let's start on the hair. Let's get back to Jade. She will be our model for this video. Okay, so I've got an array of different brushes that I'm gonna use with this girl. We're just gonna try to detangle and just get this as unmessy as possible. The way I'm gonna do this, I am going to literally take it section by section, and I'm probably gonna start with the little rainbow high brush to really get the bottom part first, because you want to brush from like bottom to top, so that way you'll be removing the least amount of hair as possible. And these are dolls and no hair will grow back, so you want to be really, really careful. Then next, I'm just gonna do that again with another fine tooth comb. And then that should also help. And then I'm gonna go in again with the detangling brush and just like really brush that shit out. And then we've got a little section of hair that is good. And then I'm just gonna continue doing that. All right, y'all, so I just wanted to come around to update you. I just finished Jade and Genie Magic Chloe here. You can see that their hair is a lot more manageable now. But it's gotten to a point where I'm like kind of over it. So I kind of just I'm just going in straight with a detangling brush, and I'm just like going at it like bottom to top still. And then I think I'm gonna go back with like a finer tooth comb, and then like that should do the trick. What do you think? I mean, she's already looking much better than how she was, and I'm really excited to wash them all. I don't know if I'm gonna boil them all, because like for example, Jade here, I really like the texture her hair was in. Like I like the curliness, and I definitely will not be able to replicate that. So I think I'm just gonna brush the rest of these girls out, and then I'm gonna start washing them. Alrighty, so after hours, oh my god, the fan. After hours of, oh my god, just like brushing non-stop, I finally got all of their hair to be a little bit more manageable, not completely not free. But anyway, sorry, I'm just so tired. I've been doing this for so long, I feel like I'm brain dead. So next, I'm going to bring all of these girls into the bathroom, and we're gonna give their hair a good wash. So I'm going to go through my normal process. I'm going to be cleaning her hair with just some random hand soap, and I am going to simultaneously, is that the word? At the same time, I will be going in with a comb, and I'll be brushing out as much as I can. And then later on, I am going to go over their hair with some mane and tail conditioner. It's just the cheapest conditioner I have. I don't really want to use super expensive hair stuff on dolls, so mane and tail it is. We're going to lightly wash it out of their hair, and then we're gonna like leave it in to soak for a while.
Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
And here are all of them soaking up their conditioner now. I know I kind of said that I wasn't going to be boiling every single girl, but like I kind of feel like that would be the smartest thing to do. I don't know. So I am going to let them sit for like another 30 minutes, and then I'm going to boil some water, and then we're going to shove their heads in. It's so exciting. They're going to be so pretty afterwards. Yay! Everyone, so it is now boiling time. Oh my god. Okay, so now I am going to take each girl, and I'm going to dunk their head into the boiling water. Kind of slowly. Kind of safely. I just don't want to hurt them, right? Also, a side note, last time I boiled my Bratz's hair, I accidentally got some of their hair on the actual, like, stove top, and her hair freaking burnt off. So, good thing I moved over back into my room. That's just a side note. But for these, like for example, for any of the girls that have like bangs in their hair, I'm going to bring them back down to my sink, and I'm gonna boil hot water over them. So for now, we're just gonna do this. And now that I'm done with her, I'm gonna carefully as possible brush her hair down so it kind of dries the way we want to. And I'm gonna do that with the rest of the girls then. And I am going to be boiling their hair differently depending on their hairstyle, so if it looks weird the way that I boil them, that's why. So here is how I'm going to be boiling down these girls' hair. I only have two that I need to do this process with, Funk Out Jade and this Chloe. I know that she usually came with a ponytail, but I actually think I'm gonna give her a different hairstyle anyway. So yeah, I'm just gonna pour some boiling hot water on their heads. I'm gonna have some cold water running. Here's my boiling water, and we're just gonna pour that all over Chloe's head. Yes, Chloe, yeah. And then after I'm done with that, I'm gonna shock it with some cold water, and then we can repeat the process. And here is all of them after they've gotten their hair washed, boiled, and kind of styled. These are the girls that are going to be having ponytails, and then these are going to be the ones that are going to have their hair mostly straight down. So yeah, we're basically just going to leave this until tomorrow, and then their hair should be dry enough that I can brush through them and style them and dress them. I'm super excited about it. Hey guys, so it's post-editing Gabe here, and I decided to make this into a two-part kind of thing. So that's gonna be the end for this video for now, and then next week I'll be posting part 2. So I hope you guys enjoyed this part of the video, and I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye.